Hi, to enable and disable app notifications on this POCO F6, we would need to open Settings first, and here find the App Notifications and Status bar. After that, we would need to go in the App Notifications, and here you can disable or enable some of the apps. For example, I don't want to receive notifications from the Contacts app, so I'm gonna disable it by tapping on this switcher, and now I won't be able to receive notifications from this app. Also here, on the top of the screen, you can select to sort by time received or by number of notifications, or apps that can show notifications and apps that cannot show notifications. And for more detailed settings, you can select any app like that. And here, enable or disable some of the features as sounds and vibration, lock screen notifications, floating notifications, notification badges, and notification spotlight. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.